Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and delete a blank page from your Google Docs. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and this without any further delay we'll simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing of course would be for you to go ahead and access your Google Docs. First of all, once you have done so, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, go to your Google Docs and get a blank page. So you can see I already have, if you go to this section, we can see we have 3 pages. First page has some words written on it, the second and the thirds are blank. So if I want to delete this particular page, first thing I would do is, first of all, going on top right, and then I will simply go ahead, select this particular page entirely, and then I will right click and tap on this delete option, and now that page is removed. I can see here in this section I only have 2 of 2 pages. I do not have the third one. You have selected it right, and then again tap on this and simply press this back delete button, and again the other page is now deleted. You can go to this section and check out you only have a 1 page available. So yes guys, this is it. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.